Hi. Why am I in a fishbowl, as it were, to explain this part of the story? Well, the answer is fairly simple. For thousands of years, people have wondered, how is it that fish, like the ones behind me, are actually able to move with such synchronization? It's like a ballet underwater. Are they using light? Are they using chemistry? Are they using telepathy? How is it that they communicate so effectively and so quickly that it looks like one motion all at once, one synergy of fish? The answer is that these fish follow three simple rules. Rule number one, keep things normal. Keep everything the way it is when you first came into life. So if you are born out of your egg as a fish and you see thousands of other little fish, yellow with 5 blue stripes, then keeping it normal means keeping your environment surrounding you full of yellow little fish with 5 blue stripes. If they go left, you follow left. If they go right, you follow right. Up, down, left, right, backwards, forwards. Doesn't matter. Just keep it normal. That's the first rule. The second rule these fish are following is this. If it looks like something you can eat, something you can take from something else, an opportunity, then go for it. This is how fish survive, is they go after things that they need, food, sex, shelter. These are all fundamental prerogatives, these are fundamental driving forces innate in fish's instincts. Likewise, fish are always innately alert to danger. So that's the third rule. If it looks like it's going to eat you, run for it. We know that all living things actually exist in these three states: normalization bias, the reward bias, and the risk avoidance bias. And these three things fundamentally motivate us, literally give us the movement that we see in our human behaviors. And it's these three forces that we're going to be talking about because collectively they go into making up our thinking. So what fundamental force is so far-reaching and has such a broad impact on all of human endeavors? Well, the answer is time. Time infuses everything. Without time, even fish could not move towards things that they want, move away from things that they feel are dangerous, or stay in those beautiful ballet dances that they do at schools, where they are all working in synchrony, keeping everything normal. Time is fundamental to all consciousness. Time is, if you will, at the very, very root of all human motivation. Starting with the fish. They are moving towards. That requires us to have, or there to be, the concept, even if it's instinctual, even if it's in the DNA, an instinctual understanding that there is something that they can have which they're not having yet, but they will have if they follow a certain signal. And in the same way, fish know to move away from danger, not after they've been eaten, but before they get eaten. Instinctual DNA doesn't matter. There must still be this concept of past in order for them to understand that there is something about to happen that they remember, even at a genetic level, is harmful to them. And there must be a concept, even again if it's genetic or instinctual, of a certain present moment that they are swimming in and moving in, and in which they can actually keep things normal. Time is behind all movement. Time is, if you will, the expression of movement in life.